Hi guys, my name is Elaine. I'm a 34-year-old digital marketing specialist from the Bay Area, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about eczema honey. So I use eczema honey products because I actually have eczema. It's something I've had my entire life since I was a baby. It was especially bad in high school. I get it typically from the neck up, and most of all like around the eyes. So today I'm actually gonna try this soothing facial cream. Also includes rosehip seed oil and honey, of course, which is important in reducing fine lines and scarring in general, but also more so for those with eczema, which typically tends to happen after a flare-up. So this particular product actually has a lot of natural ingredients. It has oat extract, oatmeal, blueberry, kelp, green tea extract, which actually works as an antioxidant. But most of all, a lot of these things work as a great emollient to retain moisture and keep you hydrated, which I know can be an issue when you have drier skin or eczema. Nice contrast to that. As you can see, like the texture is really light, more like your standard cream, and it goes on. So here's what it looks like on the skin, completely on. As you can see, it's kind of a nice thin layer. It's not too greasy. I do notice when I use like the original skin soothing cream that it can be pretty sticky, kind of like honey, and it's so saturated. And I do feel like it comes in thick, which I do love in like the winter or when I'm super flared. But on a regular day like today, where I just need a little bit of moisturizer, maybe layered with some serum, I do think this is great for everyday use, and it's non-greasy, which I think is a nice change of pace. I feel like it's a really great product. I feel like something in the collection was needed, just a very general facial cream that can be worn every day. Especially in contrast to the original core products. I did have a harder time because my eczema, specifically neck up, to kind of go out with just like the thicker original core cream, just because it was stickier and thicker and I was a lot more shiny. This one is definitely light, moisturizing, and comfortable enough to just go out every day in. So if you're looking for a product like that, I do recommend that.